got a fantastic recipe for breakfast for you called the Amsterdammer, based on an old recipe called Dutch Baby. So I've got a 10-inch skillet with a couple tablespoons of oil, and I'm brushing it really well, including the sides. Then I'll place it in a 450-degree oven until the oil shimmers. Now we'll make a batter by starting with a cup of flour, a quarter cup of cornstarch, a couple of tablespoons of fresh lemon zest, and some salt. Put that aside, and now I'll mix together the wet ingredients, which is a cup and a quarter of milk, 3 eggs, and some melted butter, along with a teaspoon of vanilla. Now whisk in a bit of the liquid ingredient into the dry, and whisk it until it's very smooth, and then add the rest of the liquid ingredients. Now I'm going to carefully pour the batter into this pan, and be careful because it's very, very hot. Then I'll bake it in that 450 oven for about 20 minutes until the edges are nice and golden brown and all puffed up. It'll puff up like a souffle, but then as it cools it will also deflate, and that's okay. Now cool it on a wire rack and then sprinkle it with some lemon juice and some confectioner's sugar and maybe some fresh berries. Wait till you taste it, but don't wait to get the recipe. Write to me here at the station or log on to the website and click on the Kitchen Guy page. I'm Chef Jim. Thanks for watching Kitchen Guy, the tastiest 2 minutes in television. Enjoy your Dutch Baby Amsterdammer, and I'll see you next time.